This is one of the best experiences in my life.
My experience was great. I did science, STEM is like technology, art and design.
I like the activity that I do this week. In class, I did natural colors. With food, we look at the microscope. It's so cool. I like it.
I really loved the place, like all the activities were very pretty. Especially I really loved English and also STEAM, because STEAM you like do a lot of creativity, and English you like more practice in the pronouns, grammatic.
The whole campus is amazing, so the teachers are perfect. I've learned how drones work, also how the VR work. I've learned a lot of English new words.
I really like stay here and I'd like to repeat this experience.